This is Perricone MD Deep Crease Serum. I received this through Influenster through a box, which is free product for review. It's a pretty cool site. I'll link my stuff down below. This is kind of just a before take, nothing special, no makeup on. I'm gonna have a lot of haters, and that's okay. Just showing you how the Perricone MD cream applies. I'm gonna put all the things that it claims to do down below, and I'm gonna let you know my results in another video. I'm just doing this application each night, showing you the benefits and the potential of what it could do. And let's see if those claims are true. I'm also applying it in the AM as well, the same scenario. Same way that I'm applying the night cream. And here I'm just showing you my morning routine. Excuse the hair. I'm just showing you how I applied my lotion, or I should say my serum. Again, everything will be linked down below.